Hi, everybody. It's FIBO Group, and you're watching to the Market Watch Review. Australian equities defied the regional trend, which saw large Asia-Pacific bourses rally led by Hong Kong's 4.1% increase. Europe's Stoxx 600 is having trouble extending its rally into a fourth day, but U.S. equity futures are continuing yesterday's gains. Today's slide in the dollar is a continuation of last week's slump. It is now sharply lower than half of the G10 currencies and weaker than most emerging market currencies. Gold is consolidating in Europe this morning thanks to lower yields and a softer dollar. The December WTI fell to $85.80 before stabilizing. Asian Pacific market. China and Japan are experiencing poor economic news. The third quarter saw the Japanese economy contract unexpectedly. The reason is that economists misunderstood the sign. The world's third largest economy contracted by the same amount, instead of growing by 1.2% according to the median forecast. Yesterday's surge from the pre-weekend low of JPY 138.50 was halted by the dollar's collapse at 140.80. Today's session has seen it not reach 140.65 and have spent the majority of the session above JPY 139.60. It did, however, take another leg in Europe, to 139.20. The minutes of the Reserve Bank of Australia meeting this month did not shed any new light on the policy trajectory, but they acknowledged that forward guidance would be less ambiguous going forward. The Australian dollar soared to its highest level in almost 2 months. Market of Europe. Although the UK labour market is less than expected, wages have grown a little faster. As more people leave the workforce, the International Labour Organization's measure of unemployment rose to 3.6% from 3.5%. In October, there was an increase in job openings and September's job growth was revised up to 94,000. After a September increase of 3,900, new unemployment claims rose by 3,300. Sterling is nearly a cent stronger, but it has held below yesterday's high of $1.187. The euro has risen to nearly 1.042 today after stalling yesterday at $1.0365. This may be due to a better German ZEW survey. Market of America. Today, the U.S. releases October producer prices. It shows the prices paid by domestic producers in the United States. These are vital for economists and businesses, but less important for the market or Fed policy. The September manufacturing and wholesale sales figures for Canada are available. While they might be helpful to economists in turning September and the third quarter GDP numbers, the market impact is unlikely to be significant. Although the US dollar traded briefly above yesterday's Asian high, it has since fallen to 1.324. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.